In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make $300 online just by typing names. And the best part about this method is completely free. You don't need any money and it's worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop and as long as you can do some typing. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because a lot of people always ask me, first of all, how can I do something worldwide? And second, a lot of people say, hey, I need a little bit of money to get started online, so what's the best way to do it without any skills? Well, I've found it for you, and you can do this. Anybody can do this. It's really easy to do. And I'm going to show you a secret at the end of this video, how to do it properly and make more money. So let's jump in, guys, and I'll show you how to make money online and how to make $300 just by typing simple names. All right, guys, welcome back. So what are we talking about in this video? What can you expect? What am I about to show you that can make you up to $300 per day by typing names? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how this works step by step. I'm going to show you how to get started and take you through the process. But best of all, as I mentioned, this works worldwide, so it doesn't matter what country you're in. And not only that, it's completely free to start, and you can start making money instantly, which is the key to a lot of people because they want money now. And you can actually get paid into your PayPal account. You don't need any website or email list to go and make money with this. And all you need is a mobile phone or a laptop. This method works on both platforms, right? So you can do this on the go, you can do this at home on your laptop, you can do this anywhere, even sitting on the beach if you want. So what am I talking about? Let's dive into the method. We're going to be talking about a website that we can use that is called Squad Help. Now, Squad Help is a legitimate website that has lots of reviews on Google. That's the most important part. I want to find you legitimate websites that actually have good reviews on Google and people have actually used it. On the top review, we have over 2,300 positive reviews and a rating of 4.9. Then we have 5 stars. Then we have another 4.9. So this website is legitimate. Now here are some of the results from other people using this website right now. So we have $300 here, $300 here, 300, 300, and another 300. And there are literally hundreds of these online right now of people using Squad Help to make money online. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is actually go to squadhelp.com and sign up an account. It's completely free. It's not going to cost you anything to fill in the details and sign up to an account. And then once you've signed up, guys, you just want to go to the homepage and just check it out and see what it's about. So what we're actually doing is people want business names. So for example, I've done this before. I've actually used this website. So if I have a software, a product, or some sort of course, I might go out and say, hey, I can't think of a name. I can't be bothered thinking of a name. I'll go out and pay people to actually think of a name for me, or a tag or a slogan, or even logo designs if you're good at design. And these are some of the finished ones here. So you can go on, guys, once you've signed up, and you can go and find these contests, and you can actually go and submit your words, literally words, slogans, taglines, and names. And I'll show you exactly how to go and do that. And the reason this is so popular now and so many people use this is because there's so many online companies getting started every single day and they can't think of a name. I'm one of those people. Now, once you actually sign up to this website, guys, you want to go to the dashboard and just connect your PayPal account so you get paid. So you go down here and it'll say Smart Alerts. You want to connect your PayPal or your Pioneer account so you can actually get paid the money into your account. So before we actually jump into this, guys, here's some more results from before, like the ones I showed you before. It keeps going and keeps going and keeps going. There are so many people making money online with this method right now. So how do you get started? And make sure you stay to the end, guys. So I'm going to show you a secret little trick that'll put you ahead of everybody else. So what you want to do, guys, is go up to Active Contests and go to All. Once you're on this page, there will be a list of contests, right? And you can just scroll down, you can find particular contests where people are actually looking for names. Now, one good tip, you want to go on the one that says guaranteed prize. This means that they have to give the money away when the contest is finished. And as we scroll down, guys, you can see that a lot of people are offering to pay $250, $100, $200, $200, but there's people that are actually willing to pay $300, like right here, $300 for a name. So if we click on this one right here, which is a name for a lawyer's business, we click on this listing or this post, we go down, it's got all of the information that you need, right? So name, they want a name for their company. What type of company is it? Obviously, it's a lawyer's firm. So they give you all the information that you need. And then in the additional details section, it explains the type of stuff that they're looking for, basically what they want. Now, it's important to read this, guys, because if you don't get this right, you won't win the competition. You have to make sure you're catering to them and you're giving them what they want. And trust me, I've declined a lot of people because they haven't read my descriptions when I've been looking for a business name. And they've got all the information, so make sure you read this thoroughly. Now, how do you actually go and create a business name? Here is a little trick. First of all, you can either think of it in your head if you like. You might be really good at thinking of names and stuff like that. However, what I recommend you do is go to Google and put in business name generator. And you're going to get a tool like this. Now, because this is a law firm, I'm going to put law into this here. Okay? And go to generate. This is a business name generator. You can find them in Google. So you don't actually have to think of names yourself. And I'm going to generate. And what it's going to do is give me a bunch of names that I could put together, or just some ideas that I could throw together and mash together and come up with something. So first we have table law, pursuit law, field law, opacity law. Those are kind of not very good, but we have prospect law. That could be a good one. It's got kind of a ring to it. We have radiant law. We have sonic law. We have easy law, combined law. We have majestic law, right? There's these names, and then you can also switch it around and put law in front of those words if you like. And you can also put in other keywords like lawyer. You can also choose an industry, and it will be more specific and spit out more names for you that you can submit to these contests. And what this gives you guys is an opportunity to find a name quickly and submit it quickly and get ahead of everybody else. Now, if we go down here, I actually found a funny one, lit law. That's pretty cool. Dash law, foster law, exquisite law, sunset law. So that would be a great one for if someone had a law company on Sunset Boulevard, maybe sunset law. There's so many options you can find on these websites. Now, how much money can you actually make combined? So these are some of the people who have won competitions recently. This woman here has made $45,000. This guy here has made $10,000, $25,000, $2,000, $3,000, $13,000. If we actually click on these names, we can see some more information about these people who are on the leaderboard. And as you can see, this one is just loaded for us. He's won 55 competitions. He's got 115,000 points and earned $10,000, and he has all of these badges. And if we go down, you can see the type of stuff that he did. So he won this one here. He won that one. He must have done some domain stuff. And that's another thing I want to actually talk about, guys. You can actually create logos and domains. You can actually sell them on this website as well. So it's a bit of an extra bonus. You can go and sell domain names, which I've talked about in previous videos, and you can sell logos to people. So to do that, guys, you'll go and create a logo and you can actually sell it on this website. And then what would happen is if people were actually looking for a specific logo or design, they could go and buy yours for up to $2,000, $1,300, $1,700. That's an extra way that you can make money from this website. But what I recommend is sticking to competitions. Go and find these competitions. It's a great way to start making some money early in the game, and then taking that money and starting a dropshipping business or an affiliate marketing business if you want. But as we scroll down, guys, there is literally so many competitions, you're never going to run out. It keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going, and it keeps going. And these people are willing to pay up to $300 per day. So you only have to win a couple of these a week and you're going to be making a wage, a normal living wage. Now guys, if you want to learn how to make a full-time income online, I recommend jumping into a method called e-commerce. And I actually have a training that shows you exactly how to do this step by step, that takes you through how to start your own online e-commerce business and how to actually make money online with e-commerce. So I will leave a link below in the description so you can check this out. This is my #1 recommended way to go out and make money online. And I'm also going to leave some playlists up on the right. You can check those out. These are completely free training videos for you, and it'll take you through step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business or an e-commerce business. Now don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, guys, and leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite method is to make money online. And I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.